Cars don't just magically materialize in showrooms, gleaming under the bright lights ready for a test drive. There's a whole world of creativity, engineering, and meticulous craftsmanship that goes into bringing a vehicle from a mere idea to a tangible reality. It's a journey filled with passion, challenges, and countless hours of dedication. Every car, no matter how ordinary or extraordinary it may seem, starts as a spark in a designer's mind. It begins with a vision, a concept, a desire to create something new and exciting. And that spark often ignites, usually while stuck in traffic, ironically enough, dreaming of something better. Something that can navigate the urban jungle with ease and style. It's in those moments of frustration that the seeds of innovation are often sown. It's not about practicality or fuel efficiency at first, it's about passion, a burning desire to create something beautiful and functional. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible and challenging the status quo. It's about sketching a line that looks fast even when it's standing still, capturing the essence of speed and dynamism in a single stroke. It's about creating a visual language that speaks to the soul of the driver. Designers, armed with pencils, digital tablets, and big ideas, collaborate and brainstorm, bouncing concepts off each other and refining their vision. They fill studios with hundreds of sketches, most end up in the bin, victims of the relentless pursuit of perfection. It's a process of trial and error, of constant refinement and improvement. But a few survive, the chosen ones, refined and sculpted into life-size clay models. These models are not just static representations, they are living, breathing sculptures that embody the spirit of the car. The clay model is where fantasy meets reality, where the abstract ideas of the designers take on a tangible form. It's the crucial step that bridges the gap between imagination and engineering. It's a full-scale sculpture shaped by artists, skilled artisans who meticulously mold and refine the clay, capturing the car's personality in every curve and contour. They are the sculptors of dreams, bringing automotive fantasies to life. Executives circle the clay, scrutinizing every detail, debating its merits and ultimately deciding if the dream lives or dies. Their decisions will shape the future of the car and determine its fate in the marketplace. If they approve, if the design resonates with their vision and aligns with the company's goals, the clay model becomes a promise. The first real glimpse of a future car, a tangible representation of what's to come. It's art meeting commerce, passion facing the realities of production, where the creative vision must be balanced with the practical considerations of manufacturing and cost. For a brief moment under studio lights bathed in the warm glow of possibility, it's perfect. Uncompromised by regulations or budgets, a pure expression of automotive artistry. This is the car in its purest form, a blank canvas waiting to be filled with technology, features, and the experiences of countless drivers before the world gets its hands on it and shapes it to its needs. It's the moment every car lover dreams about, the realization of a vision, the embodiment of automotive passion. The clay model stands as a symbol of what could be, a testament to the power of creativity and innovation. It's the bridge between imagination and the road, connecting the dreams of designers with the realities of everyday driving. Here, the car is brilliant, untouched, a pristine sculpture waiting to be brought to life, unspoiled, a flawless representation of the designer's original vision, and full of potential, brimming with the promise of innovation and excitement. This is where every great car's journey begins, the genesis of an automotive legend. The dream is alive, waiting for the next step in its evolution. The studio is silent, the air thick with anticipation, but the future is loud, filled with the roar of engines and the thrill of the open road. The designers step back, their work done, for now taking a moment to admire their creation. The clay waits patiently, ready to become something real, something that will touch the lives of millions. And so, the story of every car truly begins, not on the assembly line but in the heart of a design studio, with a spark of inspiration and a lump of clay. Now the engineers take over, armed with the designer's vision and a mountain of technical challenges. Their job is to translate the beautiful, flowing lines and innovative concepts into something that can actually be manufactured, something that's safe, reliable, and performs as expected. It's where artistry meets the cold, hard realities of physics and economics, turning dreams into reality. They are the unsung heroes, the problem solvers, the ones who sweat the small stuff, so that the big picture comes together seamlessly. It's a complex dance of creativity and precision, where every decision has a ripple effect throughout the entire vehicle. They scan the clay model with lasers, capturing every curve and contour with incredible accuracy. This process transforms the physical sculpture into a digital representation, a virtual twin that can be manipulated and analyzed with powerful software, creating a digital blueprint. This blueprint isn't just a pretty picture. It's a comprehensive database containing every dimension, material specification, and manufacturing process required to bring the car to life. It's the single source of truth for the entire engineering team. In this virtual world, they simulate crashes, subjecting the digital car to forces far beyond what it would ever experience in normal driving conditions. This allows them to identify weak points in the design and make improvements before a single piece of metal is bent in the real world. Test aerodynamics, ensuring the car slips through the air with minimal resistance. This not only improves fuel efficiency, but also enhances stability and handling at high speeds. They use sophisticated computational fluid dynamics software to visualize airflow and optimize the car's shape, and tweak every detail. Millimeter by millimeter, they refine the design, optimizing for performance, safety, and manufacturability. It's a painstaking process that requires a keen eye for detail and a deep understanding of engineering principles. Every part, engine, the heart of the machine, is meticulously designed and simulated to deliver the perfect balance of power, efficiency, and reliability. Gearbox, the intricate mechanism that translates engine power into motion, is engineered for smooth and precise shifting. Even the smallest clip is designed and modeled digitally. Nothing is left to chance. Every component, no matter how insignificant it may seem, plays a crucial role in the overall performance and safety of the vehicle. The challenge? Make it strong, light, affordable, and reliable. It's a constant balancing act, a delicate dance between competing priorities. After months of digital work, the first prototypes are built, handmade, rough, but real. These are the first tangible manifestations of the digital dream, the first opportunity to see how the car performs in the real world. These prototypes face brutal tests, extreme heat, pushing components to their breaking points, cold, ensuring reliable operation in the harshest winter conditions, rough roads, punishing the suspension and chassis to identify any weaknesses, and high-speed tracks. Here, the car is pushed to its absolute limits, testing its stability, handling, and braking performance. They're crashed, deliberately and repeatedly to assess the effectiveness of the safety systems, shaken, simulating years of wear and tear in a matter of days, and pushed to the limit. Every system is stressed to its breaking point, revealing any potential flaws in the design or manufacturing process. Engineers find weaknesses, fix them, and build again. It's a constant cycle of improvement, driven by data and a relentless pursuit of perfection. This cycle repeats until the car is tough enough for the real world. Each iteration brings the car closer to its final form, incorporating lessons learned from previous tests. It's a relentless process of trial and error, but through this rigorous testing, the engineers ensure that the final product is safe, reliable, and performs as expected. Science and passion collide here, forging the car's true character. It's a testament to the dedication and expertise of the engineering team. Only when it survives this gauntlet is it ready for the next stage. Only then can the engineers be confident that they have created a vehicle that can withstand the rigors of daily use. The dream is now a machine, ready to be built for the masses. The culmination of countless hours of work, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Now comes the noise, the birth of the chassis. Massive rolls of steel or aluminum are stamped into shape by giant presses. The sound is thunderous, the force immense. Robots take over, welding the pieces into a single, rigid structure, the unibody. Sparks fly as hundreds of components are fused together in seconds. Lasers check every weld, every measurement down to the millimeter. Any flaw could mean trouble later, so perfection is the only option. The chassis is the car's backbone, strong, silent, and essential. It's the foundation for everything that follows. Without it, nothing else matters. This is industrial artistry at its finest. The chassis is ready, waiting for its heart and skin. The stage is set for the next act. The engine is the car's heart, precision-built, powerful, and vital. In a spotless factory zone, technicians and machines craft the engine block with microscopic accuracy. Every cylinder, every surface is machined to perfection. Assembly is meticulous. Crankshaft, pistons, rings, and bearings are installed with care. Even a speck of dust can spell disaster. The engine is dressed with its ancillaries, alternator, water pump, turbo, sensors. Each engine is tested on a bench, monitored by computers for power, pressure, and emissions. Only those that pass are sent to the assembly line. This is mechanical watchmaking on a grand scale. The engine is now ready to meet its chassis. The car's soul is alive, waiting to roar. Next stop, the body shop. Time for the car's skin. The body shop is a robotic ballet. The body in white enters and robots swing panels into place with millimeter precision. Spot welds fuse the panels, thousands of sparks flying in a hypnotic dance. Doors, bonnet, and boot are attached and aligned. Lasers scan every gap and angle, ensuring perfection. The result, a raw metal car body, unpainted but unmistakably a car. It's the first time the dream takes a recognizable shape. The robots work in harmony, building strength and beauty. The body is ready for its color and character. The transformation is nearly complete. Next, the car gets its true identity. The body in white moves to the main assembly line, a moving puzzle. Doors come off for easier access, then the car meets its powertrain in the marriage. Engine, gearbox, and suspension unite with the body. Workers and machines bolt everything together in a seamless dance. The interior is fitted, dashboard, wiring, seats, and trim. Robots install glass, wheels, and lights. Doors, now fully equipped, are reattached. Every part arrives just in time, keeping the line moving. The car takes shape piece by piece. What was once a shell is now a complete machine. It's almost ready for the world. The final touches are next. The journey nears its end. The car is nearly alive. Before it leaves the factory, the car needs its color and protection. The body is cleaned, dipped, and coated with primer for corrosion resistance. In a spotless booth, robots spray the base coat, your chosen color, in flawless, even layers. A clear lacquer is added for shine and durability. Each layer is baked to perfection in giant ovens. The process takes hours, but the result is a gleaming, flawless finish. The paint isn't just for looks, it's armor against the elements. The car emerges, shining and ready for its final assembly. Every detail is checked for perfection. The car's identity is now complete. Next, it faces the ultimate test. The moment of truth has arrived. The car now faces its toughest critics, quality control. This is where every component, every process, and every person involved is held accountable. The stakes are high and the standards are even higher. Under harsh, unforgiving lights, inspectors meticulously scrutinize every single inch of the vehicle's exterior for even the most minuscule flaws in the paint. They're looking for imperfections that the average eye might miss, ensuring a flawless finish that meets the brand's exacting standards. The paint has to be perfect. Panel gaps are measured with laser precision, and overall fit and finish are assessed to ensure perfect alignment. Consistency is key here, and any deviation from the specified tolerances is immediately flagged. They rigorously check doors, ensuring they open and close smoothly and securely, and that the trim is perfectly aligned. The feel of the door closing, the sound it makes, all contribute to the overall perception of quality. Every button, every switch, and every control is tested for responsiveness and functionality. The tactile feedback, the ease of use. These are all critical elements of the driving experience. Nothing is overlooked. Every system is put through its paces. The engine is tested for performance and efficiency, the lights are checked for brightness and alignment, and the electrical systems are thoroughly vetted to ensure seamless operation. Electronics are scrutinized for proper function, and the air conditioning system is evaluated for cooling power and efficiency. The goal is to ensure that every feature performs as intended, providing a comfortable and reliable driving experience. If anything fails to meet the stringent standards, the car is immediately pulled from the line for repairs. No exceptions are made. Quality is paramount, and any compromise is simply unacceptable. The final ultimate test, a high-pressure water booth, simulates a torrential monsoon, replicating the harshest weather conditions imaginable. This is where the car's weather sealing is truly put to the test. Inspectors meticulously check the interior for any signs of water intrusion, searching for even the slightest leak. Even a single, solitary drop inside means instant failure. The car must remain completely dry, no matter the conditions outside. Only after successfully passing each and every test with flying colors, does the car finally earn its coveted approval. This is the green light, the final stamp of validation that signifies the car is ready for its new owner. Quality control is absolutely relentless. Nothing, absolutely nothing, gets by them. They are the gatekeepers of quality, the guardians of the brand's reputation. The car is now truly ready to face the world. It's survived the ultimate inquisition, emerging stronger and more refined. It's a testament to the dedication and commitment of everyone involved in its creation. The brand's hard-earned reputation is safe and secure. The car is officially stamped, meticulously signed off, and now ready to be set for delivery to its eagerly awaiting owner. The long and arduous journey is almost over. The dream, once just an idea, is now a tangible reality, ready to be experienced and enjoyed. One last step, the final polish. Protective films are removed, every surface cleaned to perfection. Fluids are topped up, tires inflated, and a splash of fuel added. Documentation is placed in the glove box. A final checklist ensures nothing is missed. The car joins hundreds of others, gleaming and ready for delivery. It's cataloged, loaded onto a transporter, and sent to its new home. The next time it's driven, it'll be by its first owner. From sketch to showroom, the journey is complete. And that's how you build a car, an industrial miracle, ready for the open road.